Everything looks good. Done. Oh. Melody? Ugh. Ow. That hurted. Oh, hey, Timothy. I have something to ask you. What is it? It's really important. I need to talk to you, like, in private. I can't do it right now. I gotta be right here for my uncle's birthday. Maybe next week, because I gotta do some other things this week. Fine. Bye. Bye? That was weird. Okay, well, just go get them. Okay, come in. Come over here. Oh. Hey, Timothy. Hey, Uncle Carson. Come on. Oh. Hey, Auntie Leah. Hey, Timothy. Jason should be coming right now. Okay. Huh. Oh, there he is. Oh, hi, Timothy. Hi, Uncle Jason. Happy birthday. Oh, thank you. I'm just gonna go over. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is all for you. Oh, okay. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a taco. Okay. We have some fries, some bread, onion rings, rice. And what is all this? Oh, because I know you like weapons from, like, shows and whatever. So here, I got you all these. Oh, thank you. Okay. Just don't be hurting anyone. I won't. Well, thank you, Timothy. Is there anything else? Well, there's this one game. Okay, I made this game called Toss the Chips into the Cheese. This isn't cheese. I know. It's just meant to look like cheese. What is this? It's, yellow-colored water and some sprinkles. Ew. Okay, but everyone's gonna get some chips, and then you're gonna toss them. Okay. Okay, everyone has 3 chips. Yep. Alright, I'll demonstrate first. So, you basically just try to toss your chip into the drink. And then you also gotta back up. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, I finished. Who's next? I guess I'll go. Okay. Dang it. Oh, made it. Oh, I did it. Okay, I got 2. Let's see. Okay. Oops. Okay. Oops. I got 1. Alright, my turn. Let's see. Oh. Dang it. Okay, well, it's a draw, so you 2 are gonna go against each other. Okay. Okay, this time you both get 2 chips. Let's see. Alright, here you go. Dang it. Okay. You better not get 2 in. Well, we'll see. Oh, oops. It's not my chip. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, I didn't make it. Both of you get 1 more try. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Alright, we both just missed again. Here you go. I made it! I win! What'd I win? Oh, hold on. Okay, here's your prize. What is this? It's a doll. Okay, I guess. Alright, that was my game I made. Question, is this edible? Technically, yeah. Hold on, let me try. I wouldn't... Uh-oh. You shouldn't have let him eat in it. I told him something, but you didn't listen. Okay. Well, it was fun, but we gotta go now, Timothy. Oh, okay. Just take these. Okay, bye. Thank you for the birthday. You're welcome. Bye, Timothy. Bye, Auntie Leah. Bye, Timothy. Bye, Uncle Carson. You feeling better after the chips? No. Oh.